Nancy, Anine, hello. This is Ms. Arnaud from Children of the Earth High School, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to access Google Classroom and any other Google platforms straight from the Winnipeg School Division website so that students during this suspension can keep up with their schoolwork, as the majority of our teachers have started up with Google Classroom as a way to get assignments and communication to our students. All you have to do is access the Winnipeg School Division website at www.winnipegsd.ca. Once that loads, you're going to see this page. You're going to see several different areas that you can access. Where students go to access Google is under Students. Just hover on it, and then they need to go to Google Apps for Education. From there, they're going to see this login portal, and they're going to use their login information just as if they were logging in from school on a Chromebook. Username, and then the information that comes after it, and then their password is their student number. Students should already know how to access using their Chromebook logins. If the student has forgotten how to do that, please check out the video prior to this on how to access student email, as there is important information on our Children of the Earth website how to get a hold of us, as we are now working from home during this transition period. Once they log in, I will show you the page that comes up next. So once students log in with their Chromebook information, it's going to come to the Google dashboard. We are going to access Google Classroom. So again, they log in, this dashboard comes up, and then we have Google Classroom. So I'm just going to show you the platform because this is how students will see their classroom. So once they log in, teachers have set up their different classes. This is my Google Classrooms that students use. All they have to do is click on it. If they know the code, all they have to do is just click on this button and then join a class, and then they just enter the code, which their teacher will have once you contact them, and then you enter it and click join. Some of the teachers have manually added student information. So all they have to do is once they get into the Google Classroom from the dashboard, they're going to see these squares and it will say accept or decline. Please accept it. They click on the classes and everything will be in there for them to use. Just to recap, you go to the Winnipeg School Division website, you hover on Students, click Google Apps for Education. We'll have a login screen where they have to enter their information using their Chromebook login information, as we do in school. And then you click on Google Classroom, and then your classrooms will appear. Many teachers have manually added student information, so then they would see their class here and there would be an accept or decline button. Please click accept. Students where teachers have already used it will already have this information up here, and then they just click into it and they start working on their work. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope that you found this information useful.